Hello friends, welcome to Margi. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the book list for UPSC mains examination. In that, we will start with GS4, the fourth paper, ethics. In that case, important books for this paper, lexicon, chronicle publication, lexicon book, that is a very important, basic book. Then from government perspective, this ARC report, fourth ARC report, that will be beneficial one. And after that, there are NCERTs class 11th and class 12th related to philosophy and psychology. Some sections of this NCERT is also beneficial. And then for Marathi students, this Madhavi Kavi, the book by Madhavi Kavi, ethics book by Madhavi Kavi, that is beneficial one. So this is for this GS4. After that, next paper, that is GS3. Which contains a lot of subjects like economy is there, security is there. So first of all, economy NCERTs are important. NCERT is related to microeconomics, macroeconomics, and then Indian economic development. These are some of the NCERTs which are important. After that, Indian economy by Uma Kapila, that is also one important book, Indian economy by Uma Kapila. Apart from that, there is one more book which you can refer, that is Indian economy by Sanjeev Verma. Indian economy by Sanjeev Verma, a precise kind of data is given in that. And then economic surveys, these are also important. Volume 1, volume 2, these surveys are also important. Moving forward, GS2 paper, related to polity, the basic book, Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant, that you should refer. After that, there are some other books on polity like D.D. Basu. After that, the book Our Parliament by Subhash Kashyap and Our Constitution by Subhash Kashyap. These are two important books related to this GS paper 2. Apart from that, for basic constitution, so Indian Constitution by PM Bakshi, that is also beneficial book for this GS paper 2. Moving forward, GS1, related to that, first of all, history NCERTs are important, like NCERTs of ancient India, medieval India and modern India. There are NCERTs, new NCERTs as well as old NCERTs, like Our Past and Themes NCERTs, and after that the old NCERTs related to ancient, medieval and modern India. So these are beneficial here for GS paper 1. After that, Spectrum. For modern Indian history, Spectrum is also important book. Then Bipin Chandra, there are two books by Bipin Chandra, Indian Struggle for Independence and then India After Independence. These two are again important books for this GS paper 1. Regarding this modern Indian history, there is also one more book, A New Look at Modern Indian History by Grover. That can be beneficial one. Apart from that, next subject is geography. So NCERTs of geography starting from class 6th, Earth Our Habitat. Initially some basic data is given, but after that they are entering into depth. So NCERTs from class 6th to class 11th, these are important for geography. And apart from that, for geography, the book GC Leong, Certificate Physical Course on Geography, that book is also important one. In between there are other subjects in GS1 like society. So for that also you can refer to the society NCERTs like Understanding Society, Introduction of Society, and after that there is one important book, Indian Society, NCERT, Indian Society. So these are some relevant NCERTs for society topic. So this is about the GS4, 3, 2 and 1. Apart from that, in GS1 there is one more point regarding art and culture. So for that two important books you can refer. First is Indian Culture by Nitin Singhania, that is important book. And apart from that, the Art and Culture by Devdatta Patnaik, this is a recent book which can be beneficial one. So this is about GS4, 3, 2 and 1. And added to it, there is one more aspect of current affairs. For current affairs, you can select any one newspaper from this Indian Express and The Hindu. And apart from that, if you are giving in regional language, then one regional paper. For example, in Marathi there is Lok Satta. So these papers you can refer. So that will be the complete book list. You can refer this. This can be beneficial for your preparation. Okay, thank you.